made a little template up, which I then transferred to this piece of metal for my bracket. So that's all mounted there, and that's going to weld onto my cylinder body, and then this will be where the air gets released. So that's got to have a couple of holes in there yet, and so just got to weld that on in here. Drilled a hole in that side so I can vent through there. What I ended up doing, I took that shaft off and I made just a block, so it had like a crank, and then I made this little rod which attaches to a plate, which is on a plate, so when it cranks around it's in the right position. It's got a little air hole here, which when it's just at top, just after top dead center, it'll blow some air in, which will flip it round, and then the air will release on the backstroke, come back down. This is a lot better for it doesn't really leak as much. Yeah, and my fittings here are just 2 bolts which I welded on. These are the same holes I used before for the other plate. This was the propeller we used. This was the shaft that we used on this side, which is my, just to crank it over. You got to be very careful of, because it'll want to whip at you. Probably want a pulley instead. But yeah, got it working.